Hello, and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today, I'll be making brown butter seared scallops. You will need 3 large scallops, 4 tablespoons of butter, 1/2 lemon, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and peanut oil for frying. Season the scallops with the salt, then set them aside. In a frying pan, using high heat, bring your oil to temperature. Once your oil has reached temperature, add the scallops to the pan, making sure not to overcrowd the pan. Now add the butter and lemon. Now baste the scallops with the butter. Turn the scallops over and continue cooking until your scallops have reached your desired tenderness. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.
To grasp how to make great food with steps made